Howdy y'all, this is Dwight and welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video I thought I'd show a little bit of bevel grinding I'm going to do on that pocket knife blade that in the previous video I surface ground the relief on either side there, and I think it's going to work quite well. So in this video I'm going to grind in my swedges, and then I'm going to grind in the blade bevels. And this is going to be the first swedges and bevels on a pocket knife in pretty well 4 months. So here's hoping I don't mess it up. This is going to get rather noisy, so I'm going to be putting in some earplugs and a respirator and so on and so forth. But I'll try to get a decent shot of it, and I'll time lapse it for you. And we'll see how this turns out. Well, I reckon I'm done with the belt grinder work. Got the swedges and the bevels ground in. And it's ready to hand sand now. I'm quite pleased with how my swedge lined up with the top of my nail nick there. This side turned out nicely as well. So on to the hand sanding, which is going to be another project for another day. I'm done for tonight. But for everyone that stopped by and watched the video, I do thank you. And until my next video, y'all take care.